Are you looking for the best caster wheels? In this video we will look at some of the best caster wheels on the market before we get started with our video. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Office chair caster wheels, set of 5, heavy duty. Caster wheels are pretty important for your chair or cabinet. But if it damages your expensive floor, that would be pathetic for you. The Office Oasis guarantees the best caster for your floor. The heavy-duty office chair caster comes with a set of 5 caster wheels. You will experience quiet and smooth rolling on your floor. The weight of this item is only 2.6 pounds and measures 6x3x4.5 inches. The manufacturer offers a 110% guarantee against a dissatisfaction of customers. The Office Oasis caster wheels are the best caster wheels for your chair. It features a modern, unique and stylish design with quiet and smooth rolling. The manufacturer declares that the Office Oasis caster would be the best choice for your floor. It won't scratch your floor. The caster wheels are encased with soft polyurethane. These rollerblade-style wheels are the best replacement for your old floor mat. The installation of these wheels is easier enough. You just need to attach the wheels using the grip ring stem at the top of the casters. The stem measures 7/16 diameter by 7/8 diameter in length. This size supports 95% of standard size chairs. If you don't like the caster wheels from Office Oasis, they are ready to take it back without any question. They also offer a 100% money-back guarantee. Pros: safer for your floor. Extra durable with enough load capacity. Produce no extra noise. Make you relaxed and more focused. Cons: no critical report from customers yet. Number 2. Office Owl Office Chair Wheels Caster Wheels Set. The caster wheels from Optico are constructed with polyurethane, and this means not only the casters give maximum floor protection and quickest movement, but equally provide higher load capacity. As a set of 5, the caster can support up to 650 pounds, while individually, each wheel can support up to 130 pounds in the most convenient way. One of the unique things of the Optico's caster wheels is the quietest rolling operation. The office chair caster's wheels replacement from Optico comes with ultra-thick polyurethane layers that are crystal clear and that glide just like roller blades most quietly and safely possible. While the traditional caster's wheels are prone to catch the littlest speck of dirt, these wheels are less likely to pick up trash, and this makes gliding around more convenient and with increased mobility. Optico Office Gliders comes with the most straightforward installation, and it takes less than a minute to install. To install these dead gorgeous wheels, simply pull the old wheels, take the new ones and push the stems fully into the chair socket. And, what's more, is that the chair casters fit the most premium chair brands and also the traditional ones. It means the buyers will get a 30 days warranty, and at any time within the 30 days, if you are not satisfied with the caster wheels, and if the wheels will not fit your office chairs, the company will repair free of charge, or you can even return them for a full refund. Pros: rollerblade style wheels. Non-marking chair wheels. Smooth and silent gliding operations. Easy 2-step installation. 100% money-back guarantee. Cons: not the best fit for chairs. Number 3. Universal Office Chair Caster Wheels Set. If quality matters you the most, overpricing, then the office caster wheels are the perfect replacement you can have. Made up of soft polyurethane material, these wheels provide very smooth motion without leaving any scratch at all. These wheels are perfect on tile, floor, concrete, mat, store, or vinyl. With a smooth rollerblade design, it is sturdy enough to hold up to 650 pounds of weight. Yet, the most crucial thing this chair has is its versatility. It is perfect for a wide range of chairs, tables, and desks. If your noisy chair disturbs you, then it's the perfect time to replace your caster wheels. You will get rid of your squeaky chaise after installing these wheels. This set of 5 wheels not just last longer, but is perfect even for heavy-duty furniture as well. You don't have to worry about fixing or replacements every now and then. The office chair wheels by Office Owl gives your floor the protection and respect it deserves with the polyurethane wheels that'll keep it from damaging your floor or causing any scratch on it. It renders furniture mats useless. You don't need it anyways if you purchase this caster. Replacing or newly installing this caster never felt better because of its ease and universal fit, which fits perfectly into the stem of all standard chairs without having to compare sizes. Its precision ball bearings and swivel bearing makes rolling and rotating smooth and easy, just so you can have a little fun and move from cabinet to cabinet in style. Pros: without any damage. It is suitable for all kinds of floors. As its name suggests. Very stylish and exquisite design. Cons. These caster wheels are slightly. Number 4. Professional office chair caster wheels gift. Master of Design Incorporated has built a reputation in manufacturing high-quality products, and the office chair caster wheels are no exception. They have a brand new stylish design that makes the replacement of your old caster wheels a painless task. These wheels are constructed in such a standard size that can fit all chairs. MOD's office caster wheels feature a solid steel construction, making them durable and ideal for hardwood floors. Each of the 5 caster wheels has a load capacity of 130 pounds, meaning that they can accommodate up to 650 pounds of load in total. Also, these wheels provide quiet and smooth rolling. According to a few customer reviews, this set of caster wheels are not as reliable as the manufacturer claims, as some of the ball bearings start to wear out with time. Because of their soft and fine base, they are suitable for all kinds of floors, avoiding the need to redoing the floors repeatedly. You can use this with or without a mat. The internal parts of these caster wheels are made up of durable steel, and thus, it can tolerate up to 650 pounds. These heavy-duty caster wheels will be perfect for your office chair. Being versatile, not just an office chair, you can fit them in computer tables and racks as well. Also, not only smooth, you can move them without any vibrations. Unlike traditional caster wheels, you are never going to complain about tangling hairs, threads, and other things on these wheels. Pros. Smooth and quiet rolling. Safe for most floors. Have a stylish look. Cons. Wear out with time. Number 5. Online Best Service 4-pack caster wheels. Online Best Service has something even better to offer. Each caster of Online Best Service 4-pack caster wheels supports up to 250 pounds for a combined weight limit of 1,000 pounds. The casters with 3-inch polyurethane wheels have 360-degree swiveling action. A nice feature of this caster pack is that it has a brake that locks both the wheels in the swiveling motion. With this caster kit, you can be sure that your workbench won't move even slightly during work. The brakes of the casters are rather big, allowing for easier foot control. But be careful not to damage your footwear. These casters are also installed from beneath the workbench, so you won't accidentally trip on them. Unfortunately, just like the other casters with horizontal mounts we examined previously, this kit doesn't include mounting screws. As the wheel has a very smooth finish, it will not damage the floor while moving. These wheels also produce minimum vibrations while moving, which makes for a quiet and smooth roll while working. Although almost all the replacement casters are available with an 11mm stem, this is an exception. It is available in a stem of 10mm and thus suitable particularly for a specific fitting. Like all the replacement casters on this list, they are designed for easy assembly. Just remove your old ones and pop these in. Pros. 360-degree pivoting system. Moves quieter and smoother. Max load capacity of 250 pounds each caster. Well built to last long. Cons. Plates are smaller, but not a deal breaker. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.